Welcome to the Xcellent Plus battery installation and configuration guide. This video will walk you through the installation steps of the Xcellent Plus. Check the installation environment to ensure it includes a flat wall that can support the weight of the battery. After unboxing the battery, install the base and place the battery on the battery transport vehicle for easy handling and positioning. Using the included wall mounting bracket, install it onto the wall at a height of 590 millimeters from the floor, ensuring that the bracket is secure and stable. Mount the Xcellent Plus onto the bracket and secure it with screws, ensuring the device is stable and properly grounded. Before opening the side panel, we need to install the ground wire. The specific location for the connection is demonstrated in the video. Remove the side panel of the battery to prepare for connecting the power cables and communication wires. Connect the positive and negative power cables, linking the battery's positive and negative terminals to the corresponding positive and negative ports on the inverter. Use a short communication cable to connect the invert.com port on the battery to the CAN box. Then, use a longer communication cable to connect the other end of the CAN box to the communication port on the inverter. Then connect the communication cables of all batteries as shown in the diagram. Set the dip switches on the battery and the CAN box as demonstrated in the video. After installing the wiring, we will start the cloud platform network configuration. All DIP switches under the inverter.set section on the battery should be set to the upper position. After completion, the DIP switches of inverter.set need to be restored to their normal state. Perform cloud platform network configuration for each battery individually. Press the battery power switch and check the indicator light status to ensure the device is functioning properly. The basic installation of the Xcellent Plus is now complete. Next, we will proceed with the inverter configuration. This concludes the complete installation and configuration process for the Xcellent Plus. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact technical support or visit our official website for more information. Thank you for watching.